Hey guys, Mixed Media Girl here. So I have this UV resin that I wanted to try out. I've used a lot of regular resin, but I was thinking especially for smaller projects like jewelry, UV resin might be better. And so yeah, I'm giving this one a go. I'll put the link down in the description if you want to check it out yourself. And I have this skin that I cut out with my circle hole punch, and then just this. And I've been getting a lot of questions recently on what I do with my skins. So this is one of the things. So like I said, I've never used this before. I'm going to put just like a little tiny bit underneath the skin. And I don't have a UV lamp or anything. Ooh. So I'm going to actually, after I finish this, I'm going to set it out in the sun for a bit. So first I'm going to get this in here. It's definitely time to cut my nails. I'm just going to use a little toothpick, push down a bit. Okay, and then I'm going to cover the top with the resin. Like I said, I've never used this stuff before, so it's all new to me. There's no mixing involved. You literally just put it in, and then you set it with a UV lamp or in the sun. So there we go. I feel like it's adequately covered. And the directions on here say, I'll put it there, 1 to 2 minutes under a UV lamp, direct sunlight 10 to 15 minutes, or on a cloudy day 30 to 60 minutes. So I'm going to take it outside and probably leave it out there for maybe about 30 minutes. It's kind of cloudy today, maybe a little longer. But yeah, let's see, focus. So I'm going to go ahead and take this outside. Let me show you how it looks. Well, gotta fill in the edges a little better. Okay, so this is how it looks. And we're gonna set it outside in the sun, and then we'll be back. Okay, so this has now been sitting out in the sun for about an hour. It is completely hardened. I don't know if you can see, but there are a few little air bubbles in there. The instructions did not say to torch it or anything, so I was kind of hoping that those would just dissipate on their own, but it doesn't seem like it. So on the next one, I may try to torch it. However, it doesn't even bother me. I still think that it looks super awesome. So really cool. Enjoyed trying out this UV resin for the first time. Once again, if you want to try it out, check out the link in the description below, and I will see you guys next time.